started cleaning with brush. I brush everywhere and collected the dust and lints. I make sure to brush every corner and collect all the dust and threads and lints, as you can see how I am doing it. I collected the dust with cloth and cleaned through every part so it will not be dirty. Be careful not to push too much fabric as it can break the wires. This is the dust I collected from the machine. After that, I oiled the machine. That's the oil I used. I put oil every parts that moves and iron parts. Specifically the bobbin area, presser foot area. After putting oil, I cleaned with fabric to absorb extra oil so it will not stick with other fabrics. After that, I put all the screws back. Closed the plate and put the bobbin pin. At the end, I put oil on the top part wherever has holes and part that moves. After that, clean with fabric so oil dorsal stick.